Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to attach motors and battery holder case to the chassis. Install motor first, then battery holder case. Mount motors on these 4 holes. Pass the motor shell through the hole. Then, align holes of motor with chassis. Next, use screw and nut to fix it. After that, pass the motor wire through this hole. The rest 3 motors are installed in the same way, but pay attention, you need to pass the motor wire through the hole before fixing the motor. If you find the light follower is loose, you can use screwdriver to tighten it. Go on, insert shaft slip into the motor shaft. Please align the slip with the motor shell and do not insert it violently. Continue install mechanism wheels. You can distinguish whether it is left wheel or right wheel with the label on it. L refers to left and R refers to right. Mechanism wheels should be installed in this order. Two left wheels are on the diagonal. Then, insert wheels into motor shaft. Next, fix wheels with screws. Pay attention, you need to tighten the screws. After wheels are mounted, you can start wiring. Connect motor wire to corresponding ports on inspection board as video showing. Move to next step. Install the battery holder case on the bottom of the chassis. Align the case with these 4 holes. When the case is fixed, pass the power cable through this hole. After that, tighten 2 screws into these 2 holes, which is not finished in previous video. Please check whether the battery case is turned off. Lastly, connect the power cable to this power port. As the power cable is too long, you can put the wire under the controller. Okay, the assembly of motors, wheels, and battery holder case is complete. Please check next video to continue your assembly.